Hi, my name is Mark Jeeves. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing for ColorLogic. And today I'm showing you our Image Effects. Image Effects is an extension plugin for Photoshop, and it allows any level of designer to make a separation for metallics into an image. So what's that look like? There you go. Now, if you notice, it made everything metallic except for this part here. That's where you as a designer have to think about what do you want not to be metallic. So in this case, you put the white ink behind here. But just think how long it would take to make that white ink mask, right? So that took us, or anyone, one mouse click inside of Photoshop.